Welcome back to HX Motors, the place where imagination meets the future of mobility. And today, we are stepping into a machine that doesn't just redefine luxury travel, it completely reinvents what a motorhome can be. Picture a vehicle that carries the elegance of a world-class luxury brand and blends it with the freedom of a rolling mansion. What you're looking at is an ultra-premium Rolls-Royce Inspired Luxury Motorhome concept designed to feel less like a vehicle and more like a private, moving penthouse crafted for long-distance comfort, prestige, and futuristic presence. From the very first glance, this motorhome commands attention with a stance that is massive yet graceful, powerful yet refined, built to turn heads whether it's parked inside a high-end showroom or cruising across an open American highway. The exterior design immediately separates this concept from anything that resembles a bus or a commercial truck. The exterior design immediately separates this concept from anything that resembles a bus or commercial truck. The body flows with elegant proportions, sculpted curves, and a refined silhouette that reflects the DNA of ultra-luxury automotive design. At the front, the signature Rolls-Royce Inspired grille stands tall and confident, finished with polished chrome vertical elements that catch light from every angle. The surface treatment across the body features a deep metallic red finish paired with rich golden accents, creating a regal color combination that feels both bold and sophisticated. Instead of flat panels, the sides carry intricate engraved luxury patterns that subtly shimmer as light moves across the surface, giving the entire motorhome a handcrafted, premium presence that looks more like a piece of moving art than a recreational vehicle. One of the most striking elements of this concept is the multi-axle configuration, featuring approximately 22 wheels distributed along the elongated chassis. These are not industrial-looking tires, but carefully designed luxury wheels with detailed tread patterns and brushed metal rims accented in gold. The stance remains balanced and elegant, with high ground clearance and a smooth underbody that maintains a clean aerodynamic look. When viewed from a front three-quarters angle, the scale becomes truly impressive. The motorhome stretches long and wide, yet the flowing design language prevents it from ever feeling bulky or commercial. Instead, it gives the impression of a high-end limousine that has evolved into a full-scale mobile residence. The lighting design plays a huge role in the personality of this concept. Slim LED signatures are integrated along the body lines, creating a futuristic glow that highlights the sculpted curves at night. The headlights are sleek, jewel-like, and precision-crafted, producing a soft yet powerful illumination that reflects across the metallic red and gold finish. Along the sides, subtle accent lighting traces the engraved patterns, making the vehicle appear almost alive when it's under showroom spotlights or city lights. The blacked-out smart glass windows add another layer of sophistication, giving privacy while maintaining a clean, uninterrupted profile. As this motorhome moves, reflections travel across its liquid metal surface, emphasizing the premium materials and flawless panel work. Whether it's gliding across a polished showroom floor or rolling along a wide American interstate, the vehicle carries a cinematic presence. The long wheelbase ensures stability, while the distributed axles suggest advanced suspension technology designed for maximum comfort. This is the kind of machine that would feel equally at home outside a luxury hotel in Beverly Hills or cruising through scenic desert highways in Nevada. Stepping inside, the experience shifts from impressive to breathtaking. The entry opens into a compact yet incredibly refined lounge space designed to feel like a private executive suite. Plush seating, upholstered in premium materials, features a red and gold theme that complements the exterior. Soft, ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and floor edges, creating a warm, welcoming glow that adjusts based on time of day. The walls include subtle decorative patterns inspired by the exterior engravings, tying the entire design language together so the vehicle feels like a single cohesive piece of luxury craftsmanship. The lounge is designed for relaxation during long journeys, with smart glass windows that can switch between transparent and tinted modes. Integrated entertainment screens and hidden speakers provide a surround sound experience, while metallic trim and polished wood surfaces add depth and richness to the environment. The floor uses high-end materials that reflect light gently, enhancing the sense of space, even though the area is intentionally intimate and private. Moving deeper inside, the small kitchen area demonstrates how functionality can exist without sacrificing elegance. The countertops feature a marble-like finish, while the cabinetry uses a blend of matte and gloss textures with gold accent lines. Compact, high-end appliances are seamlessly integrated, so nothing looks cluttered. Soft under-cabinet lighting highlights the surfaces and creates a premium ambiance, making it feel less like a typical motorhome kitchen and more like a designer kitchenette found in a luxury penthouse suite. Further toward the rear, the sleeping area is designed as a calm, restful environment. The bed is positioned to maximize space while maintaining comfort, dressed in rich fabrics that match the red and gold theme. Ambient lighting can shift to softer tones for nighttime, and the surrounding panels include subtle engraved textures that reflect light gently rather than aggressively. Storage is hidden behind seamless panels, preserving the clean and elegant look. Even in a compact footprint, the bedroom manages to feel private, quiet, and refined, exactly what you would expect from a high-end rolling residence. The bathroom continues the same philosophy of compact luxury. Polished surfaces, metallic fixtures, and carefully placed lighting create a clean and premium environment. The sink, mirror, and storage areas are integrated into a single sculpted unit, minimizing visual clutter while maximizing usability. Even small details like edge lighting and reflective finishes contribute to the sense that every inch of this motorhome has been thoughtfully designed. Up front, the driver's cabin blends advanced technology with classic luxury cues. The steering wheel carries engraved accents and premium materials, while the dashboard features large, high-resolution digital displays. These screens provide navigation, vehicle controls, camera views, and performance data in a clean, futuristic interface. Ambient lighting runs across the dash, and metallic trim highlights the contours, giving the driver an experience that feels closer to piloting a luxury aircraft than driving a traditional RV. On the road, this concept motorhome is imagined to deliver a smooth, composed ride thanks to its extended wheelbase and multi-axle setup. Whether cruising along a wide American highway, climbing a mountain route, or navigating scenic forest roads, the vehicle maintains stability and presence. The aerodynamic shaping reduces visual bulk, while the long body glides forward with confidence. From a side view, in motion, the engraved patterns catch sunlight and create shifting highlights across the red and gold finish, making the motorhome look dynamic even at steady speeds. When parked in a premium showroom environment, the vehicle becomes a centerpiece. Reflections from polished floors mirror the entire body, doubling the visual impact. Overhead lighting emphasizes the grille, the curves, and the intricate design work, turning the motorhome into a display of engineering and artistic expression. This is not just transportation, it is a statement about what future luxury travel could become. Concepts like this push the boundaries of imagination, showing how high-end automotive design language can merge with the practicality of long-distance living spaces. The idea is to create a vehicle that allows owners to travel across states without ever giving up the comfort of a private suite. Every detail, from the exterior engravings to the interior ambient lighting, works together to deliver a cohesive vision of futuristic mobility. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. The purpose of this design is to explore what happens when ultra-luxury branding meets advanced recreational vehicle engineering, and how future travelers might demand both prestige and comfort in one platform. As technology evolves, features like smart glass, adaptive suspension, and fully digital cabins are becoming more common, making visions like this less impossible than they once seemed. As you imagine this motorhome cruising through iconic American landscapes, long desert highways, coastal roads, and mountain passes, it represents freedom combined with status. It shows how travel could become an experience where the journey itself is as luxurious as the destination. The combination of bold red metallic paint, golden accents, intricate patterns, and futuristic lighting ensures that wherever it goes, it leaves a lasting impression. This is my own concept style, and motorhomes like this may become reality in future. Concepts like this are not just about aesthetics, they're about inspiring new directions in design, engineering, and lifestyle mobility. They challenge manufacturers to think beyond traditional categories and create vehicles that serve as both transportation and living space without compromise. If you enjoy exploring futuristic luxury vehicles and next-generation motorhome ideas like this, subscribe to my channel and join our community.